Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make homemade cake flour. It's very easy. You need 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch, and you mix all together. You make it like this, and it's very easy method. Is very easy. Just for 2 ingredients you need it. It's ready to use. Just a minute, you finish your cake flour. You see, it's ready. You can store in nice container like this or anything you prefer. Don't forget to like, follow and share my Facebook page, and follow all my social media platforms: Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell there, like, comment and share my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.